getting into the pool area now. So this is one of the main features of why I picked this hotel.
Focus, man.
Right, welcome guys. I want to show you a little bit of the more luxurious side of Buju, in case you think it's just all slums, it's all hectic. I'm gonna show you how I'm living in Buju. So right here is the bathroom. You don't need to see a bathroom. You've seen bathrooms before, but it's got a tub and everything else you need in there. So I'm gonna show you the spot. Let's see, is this the light switch? Okay, we got some light in here. I can't get the big one on, but you can see we got a good amount of space. You've got a sliding wooden closet here. If you want to get a shot of that, you got this nice wooden closet. So now I'm going to show you guys the rest of the resort. Come along with me. Oh, we got that natural light coming through. And we slide this like so. I got a nice patio here. Sit down, look at the grass. And we just slide that open like so. So you got these nice chairs. These nice loud chairs if you want to lounge. You want to cool it out, sit here, have a sip, watch the sunset. You're in a great position to do all of that. Sit out here, play some cards, get your drink on, however you do. And as you can see, the lawn is very well manicured. Everything is nice and green. And like that, we're going to walk this way. I'm gonna close my door because I don't want flies to get in. Because you know the mosquitoes out here, they love a brother. So I'm not trying to give them any free meals, you know. I'm trying to keep my skin nice. If you come this way, we're getting into the pool area now. So this is one of the main features of why I picked this hotel. As you can see here, it features a nice clear side of the pool. If you want to get down there with your goggles, you can still look out and see the rest of what's going on. Follow me, there's another pool that we're going to show you in a second. All right, so you can see here, we got a really big pool, a lot of space, a lot of area. You're not gonna splash anybody accidentally. And then if you turn this way, we got a little small pool. You just wanna get your feet wet. This is where you would do that at. If you don't know how to swim and you just like, I'm just cooling, that's also the spot to do that. And if you want to see the beach is actually just right this way. Sun is about to go down. So I'm going to show that to you here very quickly before it's out of here. I forgot there's something else I wanted to show you guys. And that is the fitness area here. So you've got a whole area that's dedicated to gym. You want to get your swole on. Not like me, I'm skinny right now. I'm on the road, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. But if you want to get your swole on, you got a spot right here to do it. So we got some exercise stuff, you know, standard, basic stuff. It's a little bit full in there right now, so I'm not gonna film anything. But y'all get the idea. Y'all know what a gym looks like. They got a good amount of equipment. Coming now towards the end of the property, but it's one last thing I gotta show you. So we're gonna keep on going. Just so you can see this gorgeous sunset. That's the only way I could describe it and do it justice. And you've got guards all through the property. You couldn't see it, maybe you could see it, but there was a guy with a gun just sitting there at the entrance, you know, with the rifle on, ready. Like, he's ready for war. If it happens, let's hear the waves now. We're at the Safari Gate, and I know I'm gonna say this wrong, but I'm gonna try. I wanna say Les Payotes. I wanna say Les Payotes, but maybe that's a Spanish accent, trying to do a French word and it's not working. Les Payotes, something like that, I don't know. Les Payotes, Les Payotes. So you got like rice and beans with some meat, rice, vegetarian, plantains, everybody knows plantains. Here it says umuzuzu. And sambe, I have no idea what sambe is. And something called lenga lenga. Whatever that is, it's probably delicious. We're in a nice little oasis. So I'm not gonna go too much further. I think this is the end of the tour, but just soak in that gorgeous sunset, right? Just soak that all in. Let it marinate. Let it get deep down into you. If you're sitting at home, you wish you were at a beach, it's cold where you're at, just think of this. Close your eyes, drift away. You're right here, you're right with me. We're gonna sit back, maybe have a brew, whatever you like to do. And now the video's through. I'm just spitting off the top. This is how I do it, I don't stop. All around the clock. You can set your watch. All right, we're done for now. This is Jay Focused, your man, letting you know to stay focused. All right, we out of here. See if I can get a good zoom.
This thing is a life that's better than y'all. Focus, man.